Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog today. I know it's been a very long time since I've been out for a ride. So here we are today. So we are headed towards a dam called MUNINAGARA Dam. It's very nearby and it's just going to be a short ride and it's just going to be a couple of hours. So we also have a person joining today for our ride and here you go. Hi Manu.
Hi.
So all excited to join the vlog
Yes.
and the ride today? Awesome. All right, so guys, I'm going to quickly show you the stuff that I'm going to carry for today's ride. So here it comes. All right, so guys, what you see here is an SMK helmet, and I also have my selfie stick, and a pair of gloves, and a tripod stand. So this is my Rhinox bag, and I carry a small water bottle. And along with it, I have my basic stuffs, which is my drone. So what you see here is a DJI Spark drone, and the charger cable and the remote control for the drone, and of course my Rhinox jacket. So usually guys, these are the basic stuff that I carry for light rides, which is somewhere close by to Bangalore. But along with this, there's also other backpack that goes to my bike if it's going to be a long ride. So maybe when I'm headed out next, I might show you guys. So basically, yeah, all this is all about it. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna start vlogging again from my bike now. So here you go. All loaded for the ride. So the time is 12:30 right now. So we should be reaching the place somewhere by 1:30. It's just a short ride, as I told, and it's just gonna be 1 hour. So all right. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Okay, so guys, that is Manu on his bike. So he's joining for a ride. Okay, so guys, I've turned on my navigation, and as per Google, it's just 33 kilometers exactly from here. So pretty excited to be on road after a long time. So I'm on the ring road right now. So I'll be taking the nice road to reach this place. So guys, if you haven't subscribed for my channel till now, so please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Hey Manu, say hi. Alright, so he's got a new camera guys, so he's pretty excited to kind of try using it. So he's here with me today. So we are in the nice road now, and we just crossed paying the toll.
A few moments later.
We made a quick stop to take a break. So we are at the Kanakura Road, and I think the place is another 10 kilometers from here. So it should not take much time. So here we are. Hey Manu.
Hi.
So how is the ride so far?
Ride was really good, but I was very damn angry. Good that we stopped now. Maybe otherwise I would have started shouting, crying or something. Yeah, it was good. Really good.
So one thing of any ride is your hair is all messed up. So don't get scared guys. So this is basically, you know, anyone who wears a helmet and removes it, the hair is gonna be like this. Never mind. So it is what it is. Hey guys, so we just finished our lunch. So we are resuming our ride. So the place is gonna take another 27 minutes for us to reach there. It's kind of hot today unusually. So you go. Hey guys, so that was the aerial shots of the drone. Hope you liked it. So if you have liked it, so guys, please like the video and do subscribe. So Manu, how was the place?
It's good. It's really good. When I thought dam, I thought the water falling on, but it's a reservoir. Or yeah, they call it as a dam, but it's a reservoir actually.
Yes. So
It's
guys,
actually beautiful. If you are coming, I think in the evening before 6 or something, after the sun goes, it will be peaceful. You will enjoy the place.
so guys, that was the review from Manu. So I pretty much like this, guys. So we also had a couple of people coming in from Bangalore. So here you go. Say hi.
Hi, I'm Raghunandan,
Okay.
architect.
Krishna Priya. Hi.
Okay. So they've promised me that they're going to subscribe for my channel. So hope they're going to see that.
Already done.
Okay, they already did it. So nice meeting you guys.
Same here.
Alright, so guys, that was the place basically. So we're gonna spend some more time here and then we are gonna start back to Bangalore. So cool. Hey guys, so we met another two people here. So he's Mr. Ali and that's his wife Ranjita. And this guy's name is apparently Tarun and Manu as well. So ಹೆಸರೇನು ನಿಂದು?
Manu.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ತರುಣ್ ಅಂದೆ
Manu Taran.
ಎರಡು ಹೆಸರು ಸೂಪರ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮನು ತರುಣ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಗೆ
Latnama.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಓಕೆ he's I think camera shy like me. Alright, no worries guys. So couple of drone shots coming up. So just stay tuned. Hope you liked this video. So guys, my suggestion is for you guys to come in the early morning or towards the evening. Try avoiding coming during the noon. It's kind of sunny. And is it safe for family? Definitely yes. Accessibility to this place is only by bike and by foot. Cars cannot come to this place. And is it safe to swim? I don't see anyone swimming, so I would take that as no. And it's a quiet place, guys. So a short ride and a short place nearby to Bangalore, a must visit place. Also guys, what makes all this interesting to me is definitely the place obviously and the ride. More importantly is you get to meet a lot of people. So I met 4 people today and they got to know me and I got to know them, which is quite interesting. So guys, so this is all about today's ride. Hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned. I'm going to start posting more videos soon. I know I've been away for a while, but rest assured, I'll try to at least post 2 videos a month to begin with, and then I'll try to be regular. So do give me a like and then do subscribe and stay tuned for more videos which will come in the vlog soon. So that's all guys. Stay tuned. See you in the next vlog. Chalo, take care. Bye bye.